And question number 2. We will divide the money first into dollars and cents. So here, the dollar group, and then the cents group. Okay, so we have 3 $50 notes here. So 50 plus 50 plus 50, we have 150. And this is a $10 coin. Notice that $10 can be both a coin in silver and gold color, and also it can be a note. So be really careful with that. So here we have 150 plus the $10. We have 160, and do not forget the $2, the two $2 coin here. So we have 4. So we have $164. And for the cents, 20 plus 10 plus 10, we have 40 cents. So this is the answer. Please turn to page 58. Here comes the challenging question. Dad has 5 notes and 7 coins in his wallet. All the notes and coins are of different values. So this is a really important piece of information for us. How much money is there in Dad's wallet? So I've provided you with all the possibilities for notes. 1,500, 150, 20, 10. And all the possibilities for coins. $10, $5, $2, $1, 50 cents, 20 cents, and 10 cents. So with the different possibilities of notes and coins provided to you, I want you to try this question on your own. Pause the video, and then in 2 seconds, I'll explain the answer to you. So this is the answer for the challenge question. So notice that, let's start with the coin first. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we also have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 different types of coins here. So that means we do have all of this in Dad's wallet. But then for the notes, notice that we do not have the $10 notes. We do not have this one. The reason why is that we need to have all the notes as well as the coins of different values. So we cannot have $10 coin as well as the $10 notes at the same time. So that's why we do not have the $10 notes here. And then we're leaving with the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 notes of different values here. So let's try to add up the value for all the notes and coins. So let's divide the money into dollars and cents first. So here's the dollars part, the cents part. So we'll start with the largest value of the notes first. We have 1,000, 1,500, 1,600, 1,650, 1,670. So at least for the notes, all the notes here, we have 1,670. And then we'll look at the coins in the dollar group. We have $10, 15, 17, 18. So all this here add up to 18. So 170 plus 18. We have $1,688. And then for the cents, 50 plus 20, 70, 70 plus 10, 80. 80 cents. So here comes the answer. $1,688.80. So the homework for today will be textbook page 36 to 37, integrated exercise 1. You can simply write the answers on the textbook. And remember to include the second step for the problems on page 37. So this is the top part of page 36. And you have done this kind of questions before, so I won't spend time talking about them, except for question 4, just to remind you guys to do the skip counting. So if we have 500 pieces of paper in each pile, that means the first pile we have 500, and then the second pile, including the first one. So 2 piles will have 1,000, and 3 piles we have 1,500, and so on. For the bottom part of page 36, I want to talk about number 6. So remember, we'll start with the units place because 0 is less than 3, so we need to borrow 1 from the tens place. But because from the tens place it's also a 0, so we need to also borrow 1 from the hundreds place. So that means we'll have 5 right now, and then we have 10 in the tens place, and we'll borrow 1 over. So we have 9 in the tens place, and then this makes the unit place a 10. So we'll start from here, and I'll let you to work on your own for this question. And for question 12, make sure you do the addition first. 250 plus 446 first, and then do the subtraction. So this is the top part of page 37, question 13. Mrs. Lee sells 437 cups of coffee. 437 cups of coffee, and she sells 198 more cups of coffee than tea. That means 198 fewer cups of tea. How many cups of tea does she sell? So we only need to find out the number of cups of tea here. So it will be 437 minus this number in order to get the number of cups of tea. So only 2 numbers are involved here, so there's no need to write a second step here. And remember, you have to write the sentence plus the column form over here. For the sentence, I would like to remind you, you should start with the word she, and then she sells. Remember to put the letter S after this, and then the answer, and then the unit would be cups of tea. So question 14. There were 500 bottles of water in a shop. The shop sold 180 bottles yesterday and 238 bottles today. How many bottles of water are there in the shop now? So 500 originally, sold 180 yesterday, and sold 238 today. So how many left? So 500 minus 180 minus 238. So here the expression involves 3 numbers, so we do need a second step. And for the sentence, remember, whenever we see the words are there, we put it in front, and then change the order. So there are, and the unit would be bottles of water. And then you can add the third part over here. So this is the bottom part of page 37. Question 15. Nancy is 118 centimeter tall. Nancy, 118. Michael is 16 centimeter taller than Nancy. So this is Michael, 16 centimeter taller than Nancy. Cindy is 25 centimeters shorter than Michael. So this is Cindy. She is 25 centimeters shorter than Michael. So how tall is Cindy in centimeter? So first of all, we need to find out the height of Michael. So it will be the addition of these two numbers, 118 and 16. So this is the height for Michael. And then we need to take away 25 from this expression in order to find out the height of Cindy. So this is the expression for this question. So it involves three numbers here, so make sure you have a second step. And the sentence would be Cindy is the answer that you come up with. So this cm is the unit here, and you have to put the word tall at the very end. And question 16, there are 412 boys in a school. 412 boys. There are 76 fewer girls than boys. 76 fewer. That means the number of girls would be this expression. 412 minus 76. And how many pupils are there in the school? So we need to add the number of boys and the number of girls, which is this expression here, together. So once again, this expression involves three numbers, so we need a second step. So I'll leave you to write the sentence on your own. So that's it for today. I'll see you later. Goodbye.